Can you really fight with braces, or is it just asking for disaster? Today we're breaking down the do's and don'ts of fighting with braces, straight from science and real gym experience. Boxing and MMA already carry a high risk of dental injuries. The National Institutes of Health even ranks boxing among the top sports for dental trauma. But braces don't mean you have to quit combat sports. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the safest ways to fight with braces and protect your smile. Here's the problem. Your average mouthguard doesn't play well with braces. They don't fit snugly, they move around, and when they slip, you risk painful cuts inside your mouth. Even worse, a punch to the face can push that guard against your brackets, creating dangerous pressure points. That's why just grabbing a cheap mouthguard is not the answer. Quick quiz for you. 1. Which option gives the best protection for braces? Standard mouthguard, orthodontic mouthguard, or headgear? 2. True or false? Headgear alone can protect your mouth if you have braces. Drop your answers in the comments, and I'll reveal the right ones in just a second. Answer time. The gold standard is the orthodontic mouthguard, custom molded around your braces, teeth, and jawline. Unlike a standard guard, it won't slip, and it spreads out impact instead of pushing on your brackets. Headgear is useful for reducing cuts and swelling, but it's never a replacement for a proper guard. Even pros who fight with braces depend on orthodontic guards. So what should you actually do? First, invest in an orthodontic mouthguard. Even if it costs a few $100s, it's nothing compared to the thousands you've already spent on braces. Second, work on your defense. Keep a high guard, tuck your chin, and master blocking. These small techniques add an extra layer of safety. And finally, never step into sparring without your mouthguard. Ever. Yes, you can fight with braces. The key is using the right protection, especially an orthodontic mouthguard, and tightening up your defensive skills. That way you can keep training, stay safe, and protect your investment in your smile. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your answers to today's quiz in the comments. And if you want more science-backed fight and fitness guides, check out TotalShape.com for expert tips that keep you in shape and in the fight.